Hello beautiful people, welcome to my cooking channel. Let's get ready for today's recipe. So we are going to be making coconut pancakes, and please follow the recipe to the T because you need to be detailed anytime you're making coconut pancakes. I had 3 eggs which I whisked. I added maple syrup. You can use some honey. I added 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor, and I'm mixing everything together. I'll be adding 1/4 cup or a 1/4 cup of my coconut flour and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Please, like I said, follow this recipe because coconut flour is kind of tricky and you need to be very careful anytime you're making it. So I whisked it very well until when it was smooth, and now it was time for me to transfer it to my pan. I lightly sprayed my pan, almost no oil, and I'm just using a small cup to add my batter to my pan. So guys, I'll be making sure that this cooks for about 3 minutes. I'll wait until when I start seeing bubbles before I flip it over. By the time I flip it over, I will now make it cook for an additional 1 minute. On the other side, everything is now cooked. I'll be using some butter. I'll also be using some syrup, which is what I absolutely love with taking my pancakes. You can use anything you so desire. You can use syrup. You can even use honey if you desire. Everything is in your cut, okay? So that is how to make coconut pancakes, just in case you want something more healthy. If you don't want to use the regular all-purpose flour or the white flour, you can use coconut flour for your pancakes and you will absolutely enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, please give this a thumbs up and kindly subscribe to my channel. Bye.